Hello guys. Today I have an amazing trading strategy that you might like. If you are using Heiken Ashi, then you must watch this video to the end. Because in this video I will explain how to use support and resistance combined with Heiken Ashi. If you stick to the end of the video I will explain why I like it and why I don't like it. Then at the end of this video I will also explain the trading strategy that I use. Without wasting your time, let's make this video very short. I will start by explaining support and resistance. To easily understand support, you just have to remember that we buy on support and on resistance is when we want to sell. From this chart over here, we can see that on previous support the market is pushing higher. But one question is what happens when it breaks either support or resistance. From this example we can see that the market has broken the support area. Like how I just explained. Resistance is when we want to sell. And remember, support and resistance is not the same as supply and demand. Because in supply and demand we use accurate zone, and in support and resistance we use strong price areas. So in this video we are going to use those strong areas to buy or sell using Heiken Ashi. So from this example we just wait for the market to break out of the support area. Then when price come to retest that area we will sell with a confirmation of a Heiken Ashi candle when it changes from bullish to bearish close. For take profit we can use new lows or previous strong support. But I will show you some examples throughout the video. Now that we cleared the bearish setup, let's move on to the bullish side point of view. It's just the same thing but vice versa. I know if you are still new to trading, it can be hard to identify a seller by setup. I was one of those people. So in this example we just wait for the market to break the resistance area. And before I forget, when a resistance level is broken, it becomes a support area. And when a support area is broken it becomes a resistance area. From this example we can see that price has broken the resistance area to become the support area. So we will wait for Heiken Ashi candle to close bullish on the newly formed support area. So here is an ordinary candlesticks that everyone is used to. So on TradingView we will click here. And then this menu will pop up, then we will click on Heiken Ashi. Now that we have our chart changed to Heiken Ashi, we will begin with this trading strategy. All we have to do is identify strong zones on a chart. And remember, this strategy can be used for scalping too. From this chart over here we can see clearly that we have a strong resistance area. The more the touches or rejection on a level the better it comes strong. As we can see the market touched it 2 times before the third one became a reversal. Mostly you can use the third touch or the second touch. As long as you are using proper risk management. So from here on the third touch we can see that the market reversed. So to enter we just need the Heiken Ashi to change from being bullish to bearish. So for take profit, like as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you can target the previous support. But before it can even reach your take profit, you can put your stop loss below the entry. This is called putting the trade to break even. Meaning if price decide to reverse back, your trade will close without any profit or small profit. From the same chart we can see that price reached the support area. But would you buy? If it was me, I was going to buy. So we will enter using the same thing. We just wait for the market to reach our support area and let the market change from being bearish to bullish close. And we can see from this trade that this ended up being a losing trade. If you still stress when you are losing a trade, then that means you have to work on your risk management strategy. So if you don't have that strategy, be sure that you are subscribed to the channel so that you can never miss that. Just because I am using the same chart over and over is because this one is having almost everything that I would like to explain in this video. From this example over here we can see that price created 2 support area. But the market decided to return and retest that area. So when it comes to our previous support it will act as resistance. So on this new resistance area we will just wait for a confirmation of Heiken Ashi to close bearish while targeting new lows. As we can see, price moved into our favor. And I have another trick to identify support and resistance. So stay tuned throughout the video. Also please like the video to boost it in the YouTube algorithm. Because this will help the channel to reach more people.
In our backtesting we use TraderEdge, a dynamic backtesting software that revolutionizes strategy management. This platform excels in consolidating all your strategies in one place, saving you both time and money, while providing clarity on which strategy suits the current market conditions. With features like date tracking, it keeps you motivated and organized, allowing you to monitor your backtesting progress effectively. TraderEdge also offers forward testing capabilities for real-time scenario analysis. To enhance your trading efficiency, find the link in the description.
Now I want to show you the trick to identify support and resistance very easily. Any strategy can be improved by anyone, so I think support and resistance level can be identified easily by using a line chart. So to add a line chart on TradingView, we will add it the way we added Heiken Ashi. We just click here. Then this drop-down menu will pop out. Then we will click line chart. Now that we have added line chart, you will see how simple it is to draw support and resistance levels on a chart. By putting just one line on visible tops and lows, we can easily identify those levels. By doing this, it will help us to avoid using levels that are not valid to our trading strategy. And we can also add more levels of support and resistance. So after doing this in the line chart, you will see that is very clear in the Heiken Ashi mode. After adding those levels in the line chart, change back to Heiken Ashi so that you can easily make a trade setup. So from this example over here, I will start by showing you guys how to label a chart clearly so that even a beginner can understand what you are trying to show. If you are not solo trading. After we have clearly labeled our chart, we can see that everyone who knows support and resistance can understand it. So to buy from this levels, because we can see that this resistance is broken. So we will buy at the support area by waiting for the market to change from being bearish to bullish. Then the confirmation candle of the Heiken Ashi will be when it becomes bullish. Now we see that the market moved into our favor. So I guess this is the end of our video. But before we end the video, I would like to explain why I don't like using Heiken Ashi. The problem is one. Compared to the Japanese candlestick, you might enter late compared to what you see originally on the market. But what I like about it is that it minimizes the noise in the market. So keep that in mind. So guys, I will see you on the next video. Be sure to leave a comment below for any recommendation of the next video.